Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Guyanese macaroni and cheese, or my way of macaroni and cheese. Since I was 10 years old, my mom taught me how to make macaroni and cheese, and since then I've been making it like this all the time. So in this video I'll be showing you guys step by step how to make your macaroni and cheese come delicious, cheesy and tasty just like mine. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Okay guys, so this is my ingredients for my macaroni and cheese. First we have some cube here, some paprika, grated ginger, onion powder, some butter. I'm going to be using some elbow macaroni. We have some sour cream. I have two types of mustard here, the normal mustard and the mustard with hot sauce. I have a Wiri pepper, some grated carrots. We have 1 tin of evaporated milk, and we have 4 cups of cheese here. So the first thing we're going to do now is put some salt. I also have my water on here to boil my macaroni, and also I'm doing my macaroni and cheese with some honey barbecue chicken today. My meal is gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna enjoy my meal today. So I'm gonna put a teaspoon of salt into the water. I'm putting my teaspoon of salt in the water. Then I'm gonna open my pack of macaroni. Put it in the pot to boil. I'm gonna put in my macaroni now. Stir it, and then my macaroni is gonna boil for about 10 minutes because I don't want to boil it too soft. All right, so I'm gonna let it boil for about 10 minutes. So in the meantime, I just put on my oven. It's on 400, so I'm gonna go and bake my chicken now. But I'm not doing this video, is just based on my macaroni and cheese, so it's not based on the barbecue honey chicken, just the macaroni and cheese, because my phone don't have enough storage for that, so that's why. But another day I'll do that chicken so you guys can see. So when my macaroni finished boiling now, we'll be back. Okay, so my macaroni finished boiling, so I just turn off the stove. So I'm gonna strain it now. I'll show you guys the next step. Okay, so let's strain out the macaroni. So I'm gonna throw it in here while it's hot. Oh, so let's steam. So while it's hot now, you're gonna put in some of the ingredients. So the first thing you're gonna do is gonna put in some of your butter. And you're gonna put in some of your cheese. Maybe about 1.5 cup of cheese. You put it in while it's hot so the cheese can be melting. You're gonna put in your garlic. You're gonna put in your onion powder. Let me just stir it up a little bit. Yeah, so the cheese can melt. Don't drop that thing. You can hear it in the video. So I'm mixing up my cheese and my butter. I'm gonna put a handful more of cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna put in my cube now to give the macaroni some flavor. I'm gonna put in my carrots. I'm gonna put in some carrots and just mix it up. I grate my carrot really fine. Cheese is melting. Oh gosh, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna put in my paprika. And I'm gonna put in my one hot Wiri pepper to give it a little kick. Also, this is my mustard and my mustard hot sauce. I'm gonna put it in now. Since I was about 10 years old, my mom showed me how to make macaroni and cheese. So macaroni and cheese is one of my favorite dishes. So I'm gonna stir up everything here now. Yummy. It looks so good. The mustard is gonna give it a good kick. Mix everything up together. Let me taste it to see if it needs another cube. No, you don't need the other cube. Tastes perfect. So what you're gonna do now is put in your sour cream. And you're gonna put in here 1 tin of carnation milk. And you're gonna stir everything up together. Okay guys, and I forgot one other ingredient. This is 1 egg I just beat up. So you're gonna put in 1 egg. And you're gonna mix everything up together. This is gonna be so delicious. Take a look here. Yummy. So let me get my pan now and show you guys the next step. So the next thing I'm gonna do, this is my baking pan for my macaroni. I'm gonna just put some butter into my pan so the macaroni won't stick. Perfect. And then I'm gonna use my other spoon. So I'm gonna dip out some of the macaroni here into the pan. About 3 tablespoons, and just, I hope you guys can see. Let me just switch this around. Yeah, I think you guys can see better now. So I'm gonna spread this around like this. I'm gonna take my cheese now and put all over it. All right, put cheese all over. And then you're gonna take another cup of spoon and spread it over again. And you're gonna take more cheese and spread all over it again. It's like you're layering it with cheese. is gonna be so delicious. And then you're gonna take another couple spoon again. I'm gonna spread it all over. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good, so good. And then you're gonna put the rest of the cheese on top of it.
Hello.
Alright, and then we're gonna put it in our oven to bake for about 25 minutes on 350. Alright, so when it finishes, we'll be back. Actually, I'm gonna get some more cheese and grate on top of it. I like it to be cheesy up top. We'll be back. We'll be back. Okay, so I just grated some more cheese on top of the macaroni, and I take in my hands and just pat it down like this. And then I'm gonna take some more paprika and just sprinkle a little up top to give it a nice color. Just sprinkle a little bit. Just like this. Perfect. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now to bake. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna taste this macaroni and cheese on camera today, so you guys will see me. Hi guys, so this is the end results for my macaroni and cheese. Here you go. I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Alright? Okay guys, so my macaroni and cheese is all finished here, and also my baked chicken, barbecue honey chicken. So what I'm gonna do now is cut my macaroni. Cut it. Oh my god, it's gonna be so good. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Yo, what are you doing there? Big two.
So here it goes. I'm gonna take it out so that you guys see. See how it's cheesy and nice. Ooh, yummy. To get a saucer. I'm gonna put my macaroni and cheese in here. Oh god, this looks so good. Look guys, you see? It's so cheesy and delicious. I'm gonna taste it on camera. Hi guys, so I'm gonna taste my macaroni and cheese on camera today, so you guys won't have to see my hands. You're seeing me. So here it goes. It's very hot. Wow, this macaroni and cheese tastes wonderful.
Yay!
Oh, it's hot, but it's so cheesy. Oh my god, this macaroni and cheese is so good. Well, I hope you guys try my recipe and give my video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a comment down below. And also please follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, and thank you guys so much for watching my video. Check in the description box down below for all the measurements and ingredients. Alright, thank you. Stay blessed. Bye.